Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to speak about slow performance issue after doing an update on Windows 10 or 11. So if the performance of your PC slowed down after doing an update, then this is the video for you to help you resolve it. There is a couple of solutions which you can apply to improve the performance of your PC. I'm gonna speak about them one by one. So let's go with the first solution. What you need to do, go to the search toolbar and type File Explorer. File Explorer will appear as a best match. Click on it, then click on this PC, then go to local disk C, then click on Windows folder, then locate software distribution. This is the file, click on it. Here select all these files and right click on it and delete them. These files are updates already downloaded and you no longer need these files. So go ahead and delete them. If there is some files you need to skip, then skip, it doesn't matter, but delete whatever can be deleted. So this is the first step. Close the window now. The second step which you need to do, go to the start menu here, right click on it and click on run. Here type cleanmgr and then click on OK. So here in this window, select them all, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails. Basically these are junk, cache and temporary internet files. Delete them all from your PC. In this way you will be unloading your PC from unwanted files. And then click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. Now the C drive is being cleaned up. Once this is done, next step would be go to the start menu again, right click on it and click on task manager. And now I'm gonna maximize the page. Click on the startup tab and you will see here a lot of apps. These apps run whenever you boot up your PC. So if you don't really need them, disable these apps. So let's say I'm gonna disable this app. I right click on the status and then I click on disable. So disable the apps that you don't really need. Try to disable as much as possible. And if you need to enable them again, you just go back and right click and click on enable. Once this step is done, close this window here and then go to the search toolbar and type cmd. Command prompt will appear. Click on run as administrator. And here type sfc space /scannow, sfc space /scannow and enter. This process will take some time. So what you need to do, wait until this process is 100% completed and then restart your PC. And once this step is completed, the final step which you need to do, go to the search toolbar and type troubleshoot. You will see as a best match troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Go to additional troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update and click on run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter is detecting any problems. So if it detects any problem, it will try to resolve it. Once this step is done, your PC should get faster. So try all these steps and your PC performance should get much better. Let me know in the comment section if that has worked for you. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.